Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you are trying to share your location on your iMessage but you are facing this problem that no active device used for your location, you can check your settings in Find My. Here I will show you how can you send your location and how can you fix this problem. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device and tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on Find My, and from here tap on Find My iPhone, and from here make sure that the toggle for Find My iPhone is turned on. So guys, if it is off, simply turn it on, and also turn on Find My network toggle from here, and also turn on Send Last Location for Find My iPhone from here. So I simply turn on all these toggles, and after this go back and now tap on Share My Location and turn on the toggle for Share My Location as well from here. So guys, turn it on, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and now you have to scroll this below, tap on Screen Time, scroll this below and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and from here turn off the toggle for Content and Privacy Restrictions from here. And after this go back and now search here for location, and from here tap on location from here, and from here turn on the toggle for location services from here as well. So guys, simply turn it on and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings and sign out your Apple ID for one time from your device. So guys, simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this restart your device and sign in your Apple ID again into your device. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.